Welcome to One Millwalk, with bold features that are sure to captivate every eye. Come on in, let's have a look. This great room is perfect for any family of any size. Upstairs, you're going to find yourself with 4 well-spaced bedrooms with custom finishes that'll make everyone say wow. Thank you for following me along on this stunning house tour. If you have any questions or would like to schedule your private showing, you can call me at 416-818-1981 or email at ali@dewjirealty.com.